All right, let's see if we can get this thing up this hill. Today we're going to try to deal with this big tree. So I'm going to cut off about a 12.5-foot piece and drag it up. Can you see the slope over here? It's pretty steep. So all I got is my tractor and a chain that I've already hooked around the stump. We're going to try to drag it up this hill. So let's hope no tragedy comes upon us. So stay tuned. Let's get started. We're gonna limb it up a little bit just to make it prettier. I think I can get probably 3 good 12-foot chunks out of this. 12, 24, 36. Oh yeah, it's longer than that. So if I'm yelling at you, it's because I got my earplugs in. So we're just gonna show the first chunk coming off today, but I'll limb it up and make this look a little prettier since I'm out here anyway. And then we'll cut off a chunk. We'll see if we can't drag it up this hill and take it to where there's a sawmill waiting. So let's wish for the best. All right, that made it a little prettier. What we'll do is we'll move back up here and using my little saw, by the way, we'll move back up here, and I got it marked for about 12.5 feet, and we'll see if we can't get a chunk off of this bad boy. I think we broke through. Let's give it a pull. Okay, what we'll do is we'll give it a slow pull. Put this seatbelt on in case stuff goes wrong. Let's see what we got. So what I did to offset the weight of this log because that grapple up front is about 600 pounds. And I got loaded tires, so let's see if we can get up this hill. All right, first try, no traction, and I'm in four-wheel drive. I may not be cut all the way through. I gave it a little hit with the saw, and there was about, I guess, about an inch that I didn't get, which was enough to hold it. So the log fell, because I guess it was elevated. And now I pinched my saw, so now we got to pull it forward. Let's give it a try. See if we can get it up the rest of this hill, and then it should be easy dragging it across the grass pasture. All right, let's see if we can get this thing up this hill. This is what we've been pulling out of there. Let's hope the gentleman with the sawmill makes good use of it. And we'll probably get 2 more 12 or 14 footers out of this big tree we just brought up, because there's still, shoot, there's still a good 40 feet of tree left. So that's the deal for today. I appreciate you guys watching. We're Hoofing Homestead. This is what we do. We work. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you.